Hi guys, I am Funmi Gbenle and you're watching Miss Nigeria TV. I am the CEO of Naija Party Essentials. I was nominated for Arts and Crafts at the last SM100 Nigeria Summit. Naija Party Essentials started in 2013 and it has like 3 subdivisions. We have the party accessories online store, then we have the crafts parts of Naija Party Essentials, then we have the decoration and event planning parts. I am the creative director and I actually started just with my Nokia X-Phone back in Abuja in 2013. In fact, I was cutting with a friend and I was just tired of everything. I was tired of life, tired of everything. And then the idea just came to me. The initial plan was to help people that wants to get party accessories, to like a platform for them to place their orders and have their accessories delivered to them. And I came back to Lagos. And when I got back to Lagos, I can still remember my first client. Her name was Wendy. She just got some things from me and I had to, then I was really I wasn't about the money then, I just wanted to start up something. My delivery fee back then was like 500 naira. I go to go and deliver myself. In fact, the place was, I wasn't even making profits because the delivery fee was nothing to write home about. Like it was not even enough to take me to where it was. But I just found out like that gave me joy. I just wanted to be a part of people's memories then, their parties. The fact that somebody somewhere just wanted to get something from me was like a motivating factor for me. And over time, Naija Party Essentials grew. Yeah, we started with, my mom was always encouraging us then. I can remember she just tell me, just do it for the person. Like, mommy, this money is very small. I remember we collected a job for 3,000 naira before. Like, this money is not even enough for the material, like the balloons and the table cover. My mom will give us everything, just go and do it, and then from there we started. And later I just found out like no, I wanted to learn more about this thing. Like I love doing it. Prior to starting Naija Party Essentials, I have done other things. Because I have always wanted to be an independent person. I knew I had entrepreneurial mind. I couldn't work for anybody. I knew that right from time because I grew up in the market. I grew up at Dosumu markets. My mom had a shop there, my dad had a shop there. So I just knew that was what I was going to do. And I remembered I now went for an internship. Okay, I did other things prior to Naija Party Essentials. I learned tailoring. I started a business first called Ella Cute Couture, where I made Ankara accessories, Ankara shoes, bags, bracelets, and stuff. Then that was when Ankara thing was trending. I did a lot of exhibitions, but along the line, I wasn't making profits, so the business crashed. Then later, I now started Naija Party Essentials. I found out that I actually learned makeup as well, but I knew it was not my calling. Like, I could not do the contouring and everything. So that one went. So I went to learn more. I wanted to do, because I saw people. I did a lot of research. I wanted more. So I went to one intern for. I looked for people and online, and I got a guy. His name is Abinibi. Yeah, he's the creative director of Abinibi Events Cottage, and I just chatted with him. As in, that is the power of social media. Like, I didn't know him from, oh, okay, I knew him before, but I didn't know that I knew him. It was later when I was doing my internship I realized I knew him. So I just saw that his works were beautiful and I reached out to him. I am the kind of person, I am not shy. Like, when I like what you do, I just honestly tell you that you are doing a fantastic job and I love what you do. So I told him that I loved what he does and I would really love to, like, maybe learn from him. Then he told me that it was my lucky day, that he has an internship going on for 120,000 naira for like 2 months, and he gave it to me free. Like, I was shocked. I was really, really, really excited because this man is like one of the top fives in Lagos for when it comes to event decoration and styling and detailing. So that was it for me. Like, when I went for the training, I'd started Naija Party Essentials, don't forget, before I went for the training. When I got there, I learned everything. I studied everything. Anything he told us, I was listening. Like, I was hungry. Let me just use that word. I was hungry. I just wanted to live where I'm from. I don't know if anybody has ever had that feeling. Like, I wanted to be good. Like, I wanted to have a platform and I wanted to learn. So I was always hungry. Whenever he says this, I am learning it. Even if the things that he wasn't telling us, I was watching his ways and everything. So Ability Event Cottage really helped me. It taught me styling. Then, funniest thing, I did paper flowers. The last assignment, because he gives us assignments, the last assignment he gave us was on paper flowers. And I didn't do it because I was intimidated. Very funny story. I was intimidated because there was one other girl that I met there. She was really good. Like, they gave us the assignment today. The next day, she had finished, and it was like a week assignment. She had done like several paper flowers. I was just weak, like, oh, she has passed now. We have failed. I didn't do it. Then I met a friend. I went back to Abuja. I met a friend. And I met him. I saw him doing the paper flowers. I was like, "Ah, can you imagine? They gave us this thing as assignment paper. I don't know how to do it." And he just showed me. It wasn't even up to 15 minutes. Like, he just showed me. And then I didn't do it then. I was still like, this thing, paper, you should join. Oh, like, I'm not doing it. Then I go and order for it. Because I'm like, Jesus, how am I going to do it? Like, I already got another. The person paid me for it on Naija Party Essentials. Like, I already had the page for that. So I was already selling the balloons and all of that. Then I got another for the paper flowers. Then one night, in the midnight, I just said, let me try it. Then I tried it and it came out really nice. I discovered that I even enjoyed it. I now went to go and show the guy that taught me. He said mine was even finer than his own. Like, I was like, are you sure? I said, you've not done this thing before. I said, I've not done it before, but I just said, let me try it. So that was it for me. Like, making paper flowers is like therapy for me. Like, I just enjoy doing it. I didn't learn it for more than 15 minutes, but it just it came to me naturally. When I start placing it, it just started coming together. And from there, I met I met photographers like M12, very amazing woman. Like, she was the break. Like, she was the one that God used to like give Naija Party Essentials a boost, because she is called the baby whisperer. She takes pictures of babies and they come out very beautifully. You just be like, wow. So how I got to meet her too was through social media. I just told her, like, Ma, I love what you do, and I sent her a DM. I love what you do and stuff, like, it's so beautiful. I post pictures of our work on my page and I tag her. And then one day she now told me that she wanted to place orders for something from me. You need to see the way I turned the whole house upside down. I was like, Jesus, Mommy, hey, celebrity says she wants to buy something from me. Please, let everything just be on point. I went to go and give it to her myself. I took my Instagram frame because I had an Instagram frame then that once you buy something from me, you use it so that I could just post it on my page for likes and all of that. I can to deliver it myself. When I met her, I told her, please, I want a picture with you and all of that. And then she used what she got from me. She bought paper craft. She bought pom-poms and then pinwheels, like paper fans. And she used it for her job. And it came out very beautiful. And it reached a lot of people because she has a lot of followers. So then she tagged me and it was like a boost for me. Then I started getting orders from other people too, other photographers that wanted to work with me and wanted to use my paper flowers and my paper fans and all of that. And another person I want to give credit to is Essay Designs. She was one of those people because I value mentoring a lot, because it helps boost you from learning from other people. It helps you not to make the same mistakes they made, and they teach you like, okay, this is how you go about it. So one thing she told me was to not use other people's job, like don't screenshot it and save it and want to do something like that. So kudos to her for that. She helped me with that because anything you see on Naija Party Essentials Parade is 100% our work. It's just authentic, like it's our work. It was challenging, but because I was passionate and because I was hungry, I did not see it as challenges. I just saw it as motivation, like pricing and then putting price and billing clients, because some clients want something very good, but they wouldn't want to pay because I do more of bridal showers, baby showers, and birthdays, surprise proposals, and stuff like that. So they don't always want to pay. Then you have to get creative, and that's where me being a crafting person comes in. I just manage whatever money they give me with my craft. So where I'm supposed to rent some things or maybe rent flowers and all of that, I make my paper flowers and use it to create something beautiful that would fit into whatever budget it is that we want. If you're interested in crafting, I've trained a couple of people on crafting. Out of Norms NG and a lot of different people. There's one lady that I trained in Abuja and she's doing amazing. Like right now, even me, I'm inspired by what she does right now. It's very, very simple. What you need is papers, scissors, and glue. Just that. And you are already into the crafting world. You can check YouTube. There are a lot of videos that can help you learn how to craft from there, and you can come for trainings. We organize trainings as well, so you can come for training. I just want to say a very big thank you to Miss Nigeria TV for this platform for empowering women, because I feel a lot of women need to be liberated from the mentality that they don't have to work or they have to wait for a guy to give them money before they can do anything. Because these days women are doing amazing things. Like if you can just look inside of you and find your strength, you'll be amazed at what God has deposited in you. Like with your hands, or even if it's talking or anything, you just be amazed. So I just want to say a big shout out to Miss Nigeria TV. You guys are doing amazing. Thank you very much. And if you want to reach me, you can check my personal handle. That's King Olufumi, King_Olufumi 0228. And my business page is Naija Party Essentials. That's just it. Just Naija Party Essentials. Our website, Naija Party Essentials. And yes, we have something coming up this 2018. We're building an application, like an app for, it's going to still be Naija Party Essentials, where you can download the app and whatever party needs you whatever party accessories you want, you can just click on it and then buy it, and other sellers can come on board and advertise their business and sell to people too, but it's strictly for parties. So it's, let's just keep fingers crossed, and I hope to God that it becomes a reality.